Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. Today, we're going to show you how to easily sign PDF documents right from your iPhone. Whether it's contracts, agreements, or any other important paperwork, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, open the PDF document you need to sign using the Files app or any other PDF viewer app on your iPhone. Tap on the markup tool. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen and looks like a pencil inside a circle. After that, tap on plus button. Now, select the Add Signature option from the Markup Tools menu. If you haven't added your signature before, create a new signature. Once you've created or selected your signature, simply place it wherever you need it on the document by tapping and dragging. Finally, once you're satisfied with the placement of your signature, tap on Done or Save to save the signed document to your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next one.